All right, so all you have to do is you just grab a video. So let's say, let me see if I can find a short video. Like let's say you take this video and then you drag it here, and then you see where it says transcribe. You just click transcribe, and it's going to transcribe the dialogue in the entire video. And then you take the text here and you just highlight it and then copy it. And then you go back into AI Studio Google, and then you just do the same thing, because that's basically what it's doing. It's just taking the text and then it will basically turn that into a description.